hold up. Are you inviting rodents into your home using peanut butter and cheddar cheese?
You might as well invite them to dinner. Ew. What if you never invited them in at all? These little pouches give our furry little friends no reason to visit in the first place. It's as easy as open the box, place the pouch. No more place the food, set the trap, snap your finger, reset the trap, wait around. Discover that you've been robbed. Only to start all over again. You see, Stay Away Rodent is made entirely from essential oils and plant fibers. While the pouch has a pleasant aroma to us, mice refuse to nest where their little sniffer is overwhelmed. Keep rodents away the naturally smarter way with Stay Away Rodent from EarthKind.